Hi guys, today I will be trying this All Trade Trades Pro multi-use transfer pump. So you can see here it can easily transfer liquids including water, oil and fuel, but I'm not sure about how thick the oil can be for this one. Then it can also be like a air pump because it has a nozzle, separate nozzle for the air pump. So ideal for car, home, or both applications. So leak-free connect. So I'll show you at the bottom, the back. So there's some accessory for the if you use it like a air pump. Then there's a hose or a tube if you are using it like a transfer multi-use transfer pump. So I'll just open this now. So, I think this is probably need a cutter or knife. Okay, I will try to cut. Or should I cut? Probably on the inside. Okay. Try to cut from here. Yep. Okay. Probably I can just take this out. So this is accessory for like a air pump. Then this one, the main pump, and there's some tube. So input and output tube. Okay. So the length is about 1 meter probably, or a little bit more. Then there's some instruction how to use it here. So probably just straightforward. Okay, we'll just try. So the air is coming out here. So if I will use this as a pump, so this is the accessory. Let's say I want to use it in bicycle, so this one goes to this part, and this one goes to this part. Just push it in. Let's try. Okay, to remove this one, just push in, and for the water, just push this in. And this one here. Okay. Yeah. So I'll try it outside to transfer water to see if it works. Try to fill the water from this bucket to this container. Let's see how long will it take. So this is the input, then the output. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is the input and this is the output. So let's see. So this one should go in here. And this one goes to here. Okay. See first. I think it's better straighten this up. Just like that. Let's try. Now it's coming. Oops, sorry. One more. So once it's started, then keeps on pouring. Maybe a little bit more prime. Yeah, it's already going. So just wait. You can see the bubble moving. See, it's going up slowly. Yeah, it's going up. Not very fast because probably because of the diameter of the tube is not really big. See, the way it's working, it's just continue flowing, so until it will be full. So make sure the level of the source is higher than the destination container. Yeah, up to here already. Yeah, getting tired. So the level is up to here, still going up. Yeah, see, still going up. It's already here. But it's, I think, a little slow, but it works. Yeah, it's still going up. think, okay, I just stop at this point, so we definitely know this one is working, and pouring water. So and just show you from here. Just stop it from here. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.